3 layers, 3 secret ingredients, and the perfect balance of textures.
What is the stock exchange and how does it work?
You level up to level 2 right off the bat, and what that's going to do is...
I'm Chris Duke, and today on Motors we're installing a nitrous system on a Mustang GT.
It's the essential high coverage cream foundation. It has hyaluronic acid in it.
He's going to own 1/3 of the business for his $500. So what's our business worth?
On the front, it's very easy to use, even with bulky winter gloves.
I'm actually bringing you guys a video on how to set up a Blue Snowball microphone.
What happens once we start putting some level lines up, some elevations.
That can sort of damage and eat a hole in your artery, where your liver then produces...
Hydrogel. Hydrogel is a gel.
If you're square, you don't want your shot like this. If you're angled, you don't want...
Just a push-up. That's a perfectionist. I want to get it perfect. I want to do the perfect push-up. Haven't done one. Someone who is like not so good, not doing it perfectly, but he just does 10 every day and just 10 every day. In 100 days, who's further ahead? Muscle-wise, growth-wise, who's further ahead?